Simple present is much easier to teach when we know the structures and uses. This video will help you to understand the simple present, or what we call the verb 1, in a simple way. First, let's learn how to write positive statement using simple present or verb 1. We follow this structure: subject plus verb 1 or present, simple present. Like for an example below, she likes dancing. She is the subject plus our verb likes. We add s or es to our verb when the subject is singular. To negate the statement or to make negative statement, we follow this structure: subject plus doesn't if our subject is singular, or don't if our subject is plural, plus verb 1. Like for an example, he doesn't like you. He is our subject plus doesn't because our subject is singular, and verb 1. We already know that when we use do, does, did, our verb is always in its base form, which means we don't add s or es in the verb. To make question, we follow this structure: does if our subject is singular, or do if our subject is plural, plus s or the subject plus the verb 1. Like for an example, does he like you? We use does because our subject he is singular and our verb is in its base form. For the other form of question like what, where, when, who, we follow this structure: how or who or why or when plus does if the subject is singular, or don't if the subject is plural, plus the subject plus the verb 1. Like for an example, when does she leave? Our subject is singular, she, so we use does, and the verb is in its base form. Hope you learned something about the structure of simple present. If you think this video is helpful, you can share it, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. The uses of simple present will be our next topic for our next video class. See you!